Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'll be doing an update to an earlier tutorial that I made, how to install the latest version of VirtualBox in Ubuntu and Debian. The current release of VirtualBox at time of recording is version 6, that is over and above what you'll get out of the standard repositories. I'll be doing a bit of VirtualBoxception here and installing this newer version of VirtualBox in this handy Ubuntu virtual machine. So I have a tutorial guide on my website and it is these few lines here, as well as downloading the VirtualBox guest editions, which will allow you access to the USB 2 and USB 3 ports. Let's put that across to the side and open up a copy of Terminal. The first line adds the VirtualBox repository across to your apt-sources.list directory and creates a new file called virtualbox.list. This command here, lsb release _cs, requests the appropriate version of the repository for your operating system. If we take a look at the output of the command here, it identifies this version of Ubuntu 18.10 as Cosmic. In some derivatives this won't necessarily work, so you have to choose the appropriate version that Ubuntu or Debian was at the time. So for example, Bionic is Ubuntu 18.04, Cosmic is Ubuntu 18.10, Stretch is Debian 9. Now we add the two keyring files. That's the first one and that's the second. By the way, I'm using Ctrl-Alt and V to paste in the terminal. The other option is to middle click on the mouse. Now it's sudo apt update. And if all being well, you'll get all packages are up to date. If there are any problems, you may well have to edit that sources file, which is in /etc/apt/sources.list.d/virtualbox.list. So I'm going across there to edit it in nano. So that's the command we just added. So yeah, any problems you can either edit it or comment it out with a hash. Yeah, save it. No, not in this case. So no, I'm going to discard those changes. Now to go and install VirtualBox, so type in sudo apt install VirtualBox, then I'm going to press the tab key to see the available versions, or the available packages I should say. So the latest version I have is VirtualBox-6.0, or you could have 5.2. Both of those are in this repository. So yeah, use this command to check out which is the latest version available to you at the time. So yeah, sudo apt install VirtualBox 6.0 in my case. Okay, now that the install's taken place. Now the final line adds the VBox user's rights to your username, if they don't exist already. So yeah, just paste that there, press enter. Yeah, there's no feedback, but if it's needed, it will have done it. So it doesn't matter if you use the command twice. So now I can open up VirtualBox, check out the version number, and yes, we have version 6. Excellent. Last item here is to install the extension pack. So I'll go across that link, have to find it on this page. It's right here, the VirtualBox extension pack. So it's all supported platforms. So I'll click to download and I can go and open it straight away with VirtualBox. Yeah, just install this. Scroll through the license agreement, click I agree, put in your sudo password, and the install takes place. And that's it. So that is how to install the latest version of VirtualBox in Ubuntu and Debian. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later.